Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting video because I'm doing a first impressions on some of the new BYS Peach collection. How adorable is the packaging? Can you see that? The blush, the eyeshadow and the highlighting trio. The highlighting trio and the blush are scented. The eyeshadow is not. Why? Why couldn't they have made the eyeshadow scented? They should have. But we're gonna put this in my face. See how it goes. I've only done my eyebrows, my foundation, like my base kind of basic stuff. I'm gonna attempt this. Let's see if they're any good. I'm even trying some BYS brushes. It's a BYS day. Yay. Alright, let's get started. So, they have done really well on the packaging. It's super cute. This is what the eyeshadow looks like. So it's BYS eyeshadow Peachy Pinks, which is super cute. And that's what it looks like on the inside. I will insert swatches, even though I will always say that and I forget to do it. But I will. These are my BYS brushes, which I will be using for the face. Do that part of it. They're $10 for a set of 3. I picked these up yesterday from my KMART. This is $6.70. The highlighting trio is $8 and the blush is $4. And I do believe some KMARTs aren't all doing the same prices, but check them out because I've done swatches on my Instagram. So far, already in love with how the swatches look. So I'm excited. I love me a good peach trend. We're going to zoom you in. Up in close and personal. Alrighty, there are a mixtures of mattes, satins and shimmers. I'm really like disorientated today. I woke up from a nap because that's what adults do. But we're going to take that matte brown. You can tell I had a nap because I've got it like a pillow crease. I'm a belly sleeper. Is anyone else a belly sleeper? That's nice. Ooh, look at the pigment. That was like one little dip. Yes. Oh, that makes me excited. I love an affordable palette. And especially one that's like really pretty. Look at that. I just wish they had made the eyeshadow palette scented, but and this size too would be like really handy for travel. Not that I do any traveling, but like even if I go to uni or work or whatever, I just chuck it in my makeup bag. Look at that pigment. That's pretty good. Literally today is just an at-home day, so although I had an appointment earlier, but like just been resting at home, and so I thought I would get some filming done, and this was on top of the list. I love how it builds up because like sometimes you don't want an uber pigmented eyeshadow straight off the bat, and they blend out quite nicely. Yes, BYS. I'll also be doing a first impressions on just clean it up. That looks really nice for a matte. On the Peach Palette 2 collection, like the face palette and the Peach 2 palette that they brought out, because I do have that, but I can't play with it until Easter because the hubby got it for me as my Easter gift. I like how that builds up and there's no fallout. Actually really quite impressed with that brown. I'm going to take that really pretty peachy color in the crease also. Ooh, I like that. Now I'm going to go into that color just on the outer edge, just to give it a little something something. Pigmented. These are really nice. Now we'll clean that up. They're actually looking really good for under $7. This palette's quite good. I'm impressed. Trying to decide what color to put on the lid. That's pretty. I cleaned up under the eyes. So far, I'm quite impressed. Really pretty. I contoured it a little bit with the BYS Contour Trio. I love these. Gonna go in with that shade under my lower lashes. And then I'm going to go in with the brown. I might just mix the two. I always get the lower lash ones like really far down, but I'll fix it up. Inner corner highlight, I will do that pretty colour. Ooh, is that a duochrome? It's like a slight shift. That's pretty. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with that gold on the brow. And then I would have used all the shades. And then I'll clean up so I don't look so much like a panda. How pretty is that colour? It's in the shade Nectar. It's nice, but it's not as scented as the other one. And I'm taking the BYS powder slash blush brush, which I've already used, but That blends out really nice, and it's a nice natural color. Like, it kind of ties in this whole look. I almost had a bit of a disaster there because it came out quite pigmented as I was blending out. I looked in the mirror and I'm like, need to fix it up, so I lightened it up with a bit of powder. We're going on to the highlighting trio. So far I'm digging this peachy vibe look. I like it. This is the highlighting trio in 05 Peach. Really, really pretty. I've got the BYS Unicorn fan brush. Use, obviously, highlighter, blush topper, bronzer, or as eyeshadow, as you want. So I'm going to use the bronzer as the bronzer. Just lightly pigmented. Very dainty brush. I know this is not a bronzing brush, but it'll work. It's very dainty. It's given a nice bit of a definition and warmth. And then going into that really pretty peachy color. That's pretty. And then for the highlight, which is a really pretty champagne-y warm. Yes. That's pretty. Like, you can see the peachiness peeking through. It's just really nice and natural. Overall, my favourite surprise bit was actually the palette. I thought the highlighting trio was going to be my favourite from when I swatched it yesterday for my Instagram. Super pretty. Like, it looks like that really nice wet look highlight, but very natural. It's really nice on the skin. Doesn't look shiny. Like, it looks reflective, but it's not glittery. But this is the standout for sure, because I'm loving how the eyeshadows actually perform. Hella pigmented, almost had a disaster, but I managed to tone it down without looking like a clown. So, hey, look, I rhymed, but anyway. But for $4, use with caution. But I think for deeper complexions, this would look amazing. So, really, really good little collection here. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be buying it or if you're going to try it. Let me know, and I will talk to you guys soon in another video. Bye!